make sure that in your philosophy, there is truth to consider in which the child would really satisfy or could learn. Parang, you have to assure na your students would satisfy of how you handle your students. So, do you believe, class, that having your own philosophy would really matter?
Yes.
Okay, it seems like you said yes. So I want you to group at least 3 groups. You may choose a partner or you may have a solo. So I want you to create your own philosophy of education. You have 20 minutes to discuss what is your philosophy, and after that I want you to present here in front and explain why you choose that philosophy. Okay. You go to your partner, you create, and now we discuss. Oh, Raymond, it seems like you're the only girl in this class. Solo na lang.
Okay.
Because you have a partner, it's another girl.
I believe that every child needs to be taught and has capacity to learn. It means that as we work hard in this world, our parents are there to guide us. Teacher as well as parents both have the right to be the hindrance of the success. Ano na natin?
Okay, let's go. Hindi ko. Ano ko? Catherine, man na mo? Oh. Taas kayo niyo, ha? Bago mo naman. Eh, asama yun. Asama naman yung kanang ko. Ay, buwan na kayo taas eh. Dua ka ba?
Pero child-centered siya, pero di rin siya collaborative o cooperative. Kaya individual man niya po, individual yung ano sa pangalan na? Individual na slate, kanang activity kay usually individual din kay para ma-develop sa estudyante Mata siya dapat exist nga field sa kung sa iyang talent. Nakuha na, dili kinahanglan dili ka mo focus sa lang ka strategy. Kinahanglan di ka mo focus sa lang ka strategy kay. Siyempre, unique gani ang mga estudyante, lain-lain silang mga lain-lain silang mga abilities o abilities. Okay, itong mga Howard, so ito Howard, itong 8 multiple intelligences ni Howard. So okay, kana di ba sa existentialism kay kanang that ang teacher kay muhatag siya og kanang freedom sa estudyante na ko parang may bawal siya niya kung asa man ang capable ang estudyante, ang unsay gusto sa nila buhaton wala makaka-create dayon sila kaya sila nga ng activity kaya na lang mo every child is unique. Yes, it's so fun. Every child is unique. And comparing. Dili na kailangan na mag-compare ka sa uban ba sa okay, in one best sila ka na, they have their different abilities. Every child is unique. Unique. Pwede ka na i-explain na lang na mo elaborate o kanina mo lang ang mga ikuan ba so niya i-explain na lang na mo elaborate hindi lang sure wala lang mo isa lang wala lang natin na mga idea video mo kaya kung ako na ito sa mga philosophies of education makapili ko at sa behaviorist pwede ba sa behaviorism kayo ano man ito modify the behavior of the child so ikaw may isa saan mo pag-modify sa capacity sa abilities sa inyong mga estudyante kung hindi mo consider mo course of behaviorism is late or
Pwede naman siya apply ko sa 5 philosophies. Five philosophies of education. Kaya kapag has capacity to learn also. I believe that every child needs to be taught so and has capacity to learn. So pwede na siya i-apply na sa 5 philosophies. Or sa may idea rin mo.
ano, makakuha sa bukod sa kuhan ba sa pag-citizen sa kuhan, di ba? Kanang atong tudluan sa estudyante, dili para silang future, kundi para dun sa region. Ano na siya, family, ano lang, inahan yung sujud na sige, hindi na sa mountain.
Pwede ka sa.
Pero kanya-existentialism na niya ako.
Teacher.
Yes, Raymond.
Teacher, mga
Okay,
teacher kaniya ko, okay na siya. I believe that every child is special. I think teacher nabelong siya sa existentialism because I do believe that every child has a uniqueness. So
Existentialism and God.
Ano na exist? Kasi
Exist. Existentialism.
existentialism, existentialism lagi.
Ingon mo ka, existentialism.
Sorry, nobody.
Usag dili na siya bunyi.
Hindi ba, basta hindi
in existentialism, the word exists. The child
Let the child can discover their uniqueness. Then, because every child has a uniqueness, so nara nila to how to develop or enhance their capacity or skills inside the school. So,
of course with the help of teacher.
yes, of course. So, there's the teacher and the parents also